Hey, you fabulous people. My name is Kevin James Bennett. So I was really excited when the folks at First Aid Beauty invited me to join their development team to come up with the FAB Bendy Avocado Concealer. Your skin moves. You need a concealer that moves with your skin. Bendy Avocado Concealer actually is flexible. But the really nice thing about it is it self-sets, so it actually stays in place, doesn't crack, doesn't crease. It's pretty much the perfect concealer. Like all First Aid Beauty products, Bendy Avocado Concealer is made with clean ingredients, so it's really good for sensitive skin. It comes in 7 shades. I want to show you how easy it is and what you can do with it.
So my challenge is really my dark circles under my eyes. I mean, it just always looks like I'm tired.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the concealer and we're going to do 3 dots right under the eye, and then you're going to take your ring finger and we're going to just pat it into place. Also, if you want to, you can even bring it a little bit onto the brow bone. Gives you a little highlight without wearing any makeup. Now look at how that just blended right into your skin.
Wow, this is really impressive. It looks great.
I'm having some breakout over here on my chin.
You're going to take the wand and you're going to dab on the areas that you want to cover, and then you're going to take your ring finger and you're just going to pat it into place. And as you pat it, you're just going to pat away the edges. We don't want to drag it. We want to get full coverage. So we're just going to keep on patting. See, look at what's happening.
Wow, yeah, this is really nice. There's days where I just want to be like ready to go without putting on too much eye makeup or anything at all, really.
Oh, we have got a solution for you. Take the applicator out, press 3 dots under your eye. I want you to close your eye, put an extra dot right on your eyelid. Now you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to start patting this all in. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to pat it in and bring it all the way around onto the lid. Now look at that, it looks like you actually have on eyeshadow. All you have to do is put on a little extra mascara and go.
I'm ready for brunch.
There's a lot more than just pigment in this concealer. There's some serious skincare. Avocado oil, which is amazingly nourishing to the skin. Mushroom extract, which is super hydrating. And we've got caffeine, which removes the puffiness and helps brighten those dark circles. In a consumer study, after 8 hours of wear, 100% said that the concealer bent and moved with their skin. 97% said that it left their skin feeling hydrated. A good concealer can make or break your look. This doesn't break, this bends. And the best part is, you don't have to be a makeup artist to use it.